Schoology tips and tricks. Trick number 15, linking content. For anybody who's been using Schoology for a while, I'm sure you have all figured out to insert a hyperlink within a body of text. So, what I mean is this quick access toolbar might be a hyperlink. When I click on it, it's going to take me to the website. This is the better way to do it than by inserting just an ugly link sitting there. But there is something else that you can do. I am going to turn this reference to a folder within the course into a link straight to that folder. So I highlight the words. I'm going to click this inline link. And here is where people normally would drop a URL to go to another website. And you do have the option to open in a new tab. I want to link to material within my course. So I want to link to this folder, which is my workshop troubleshooting. And I am going to select that. I'm going to have it open in a new tab. It's always a good way to do it so they can get quickly back to where they were. And I'm going to hit save changes and then save changes down here. Now, when I come to this page or a participant comes to this page and they need a refresher, they can click right here and it's going to open in a new tab and they would have that information at their fingertips. So really easy, super small, and but it's a time saver for your students and for you to link them to somewhere else within your course.